Hi there, my name is Jean Truelove, and thank you for tuning into my channel, Truelove Quilts for You. Welcome to my sewing room. I'm making videos about quilting for what I like to call beginners. There's a lot of quilting videos out there that take you from about step 7 onwards, but I'm aware that people don't have a clue other than how to work their way around a sewing machine, how to quilt. And I have many videos that show you how to hold scissors, how to do rulers, how to cut with rotary cutters, the very beginning. Just a little bit about me. I'm a mother, stay-at-home mom. I've been a stay-at-home mom to my 10 children. Yes, my husband and I have 10 children. We have 9 boys and 1 girl. We're expecting our 16th grandbaby. Probably by the time you see this, many more will have come. So I was busy creating children for many years, and then I've done every craft in the book. I've done every craft in the book, you name it, beading and needleworks and all sorts of things. But quilting has become my passion, and I hope we have fun with it. If you follow along with the many videos I've made, I'm not at all professional. I'm a little bit ADD, I'm a little bit over the top. I talk a lot. If that annoys you, go away. I also tell stories about my family. I like to include pictures about my family and things that are happening in my life. So this is sort of an all-around story of me and my quilting journey, and I hope you follow along. I hope if you're a new subscriber, you're enjoying the videos. If not, you know, you can look elsewhere, because I do what I do, and lots of people enjoy my style. It's relaxed, we make beautiful things, and I hope you learn something along the way. So bear with me, and as I always say, if this stops being fun for you, step away from your machine. Quilting should be fun, not perfect. Life isn't perfect. We just are about making beautiful things. So I hope you like my channel, and I thank you so very much for subscribing, for giving me a thumbs up and liking, and for telling your friends about me. I have a Facebook page, Truelove Quilts for You, so you can join me on my Facebook page and see little bits of my life and my silliness, and some quilts now and again that I put up. And again, thank you so much for tuning in to Truelove Quilts for You, me, Jean Truelove. Thank you so much. See ya.